Hi, welcome to the market alert for Monday the 2nd of March 2015. Starting off in the 5-minute chart, you can see the pre-market session was really quiet, and this is because there was no economic news for Friday last. You can see the market there just hugging the 18,200 line, just trading above and then back below. And then the market opened, traded lower. We saw some buying come back into the market, and then the market also closing above the 18,200. In the next bar, immediately the market slammed down and tested, moving down towards the 18,150 level before testing, and then coming back up to the 18,200. And that's where the market stayed in this very narrow range, as you can see from here to here. 45 points, couldn't even manage 50 points for at least the first 4.5–5 hours of the trading session, and eventually the market taking out the 18,150 towards the close. So here we have unfortunately a losing trade because of this, and it's no doubt to do with news, because the markets moved back. There was no official news, so whatever was released into the market forced the market lower here. And again, they used this shakeout, as you can see the buying in the test bar there, bringing the market back. Notice the volume in this bar is far greater than in the selling bar that actually precedes it. So you've got a narrower range than the previous bar, greater volume in the test bar, the blue bar, and you see the market being brought back to where it was when the actual trade came into the market. So this one is just pure bad luck that some news came out and was used by the traders to mark the market down and then bring the market back to the upside there. This one is late on in the session. It's 20:35, too late in the session. As I said, 8:30 really is the cutoff, because you don't have the time for the market to move lower, especially given that it was extremely quiet up to this point as well. In the daily charts, you can see there Friday really quiet. Let me just narrow this down a bit so we can see it. You can see they're stuck in this sideways range, the all-time high not being taken out, having been put in place on the 25th of February there. The rest of the week sideways to lower, but finding support at the 18,150 level and the 18,200 level at the moment. No news again today, so again we can expect more or less of what we had on Friday, unless of course there is any sort of geopolitical news that is going to move the markets. Let me just close that. Let's just go back and have a look, see what the market's actually doing at the moment. Again, you can see it's just very, very quiet in the pre-market session, so very difficult to say without having any economic news there to move the markets. On the implied volatility front, 1106, this increasing slightly on Friday, which is unusual given how quiet it was, but just up slightly from 1086 on Thursday there, and the historic, the blue line, dropping down nicely there. So that's it for today. Let's hope things start to improve. Now we're into March. We've had 2 months where the market has been fairly unstable and non-directional, and has been not too kind to us. So let's hope that from March onwards, the start of the 3rd month of the year, that things improve and we start to see more profits than losses that we've seen of late. It's just the way the markets are, and there's absolutely nothing we can do about it. It's been great from June to December, but with the volatility the way it was in January, but calming down in February, it looks like things are starting to return to a more normal trading pattern. Right, that's it from me. I will see you in tomorrow's edition of the Market Alert. As ever, thank you for your support, very much appreciated. And as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.